Hi once again, YouTubers. Welcome again to Niga's Toy channel, and today we're going to unbox and review the Tomica Premium number 11 Nissan SKYLINE GTR vspec 2. So this is the blue variant of that series from Tomica. Here's the box. So let's open this one now. Here's the card, plastic wrapping. Here's the car. All I can say is, wow, this one looks beautiful. So like most Tomica Premium, this one has an aftermarket looking wheels, unlike the Tomica basic cars that have the same wheels despite the different wheels on the box. So this one has the same wheel on the box. So here's the artwork on the box, and this is the car. So again, it has the same wheel. This one has opening features. So here the door opens, and it opens smoothly. This one also has suspension. Excuse me. So here's the front of the car. Again, what I like about Tomica Premiums is that they have transparent headlights. So it says GTR on its front emblem. The headlight, these lights here are painted. So another GTR logo here. Outlines here at the side. The corner, the signal light also is painted silver. Here's the rear look of the car. So the rear light is also painted red. It has a Nissan logo here, which is painted, and this one has a logo for its plate number. So it says SKYLINE GTR. This one has a metal spoiler with a black accent here. The windows are clear. So let's take a look at the inside of the car. So this one is right-hand drive, like the Skylines in Japan. They just convert the Skylines and they ship it to, for example, the Philippines. Some Skylines in US are original left-hand drive because I think it's legal there right now. converting it to right hand, like here in the Philippines, it's really dangerous because they just split the suspension parts of the car and then weld it back, and that really imposes some dangerous risk, especially on the braking system and the steering system of the car. So let's continue talking about the Tomica car. So the gray silver paint of the wheels really suits the blue paint job of the car. And another complaint that I have with Tomica diecast goes on both of their premium and basic cars is that they don't have side mirrors. So that's really a shame. I really don't understand why they don't put side mirrors on their cars. So for example here, this is the Matchbox. This is just a basic car, a Matchbox, and here they have side mirrors. So what's up with that, Tomica? But overall, this looks fantastic, and it's pretty heavy. Yeah, it just weighs right. So again, another look of the car. And by the way, I will also show my homemade wall display for my Hot Wheels. So please continue watching this video so that you'll see how I made this, how I made my wall display. That's really cheap. It's just under $2. In the Philippines, it's under 100 pesos. So that's the car. I really hope you enjoyed my unboxing and review of the Tomica Premium number 11 Nissan SKYLINE GTR vspec. So please like and subscribe for more videos soon. Keep on watching, keep on toy hunting, and God bless. Thank you all. Bye. Hi guys, so this is my homemade wall display for my Hot Wheels. So you can see that I made them like this because I want to display not just the cars but also the cards and the artwork of the cars. So here are the materials that I used in this one, making my wall display case for my Hot Wheels. So first, this is a plastic molding. So this is 1/2 inch by 8 feet. So I already cut this one into 4 feet, and then I cut another 2 feet of this one so that it will fit on my wall. So by the way, make sure that before sticking the molding onto the wall, that the molding is aligned, because if not, this will be slanting over here or over to the left side, and it will not look good once it will be finished. So you can see here that it's all aligned. What I did was I put a card here and also in here, and then I slightly press before putting the double-sided tape, and make sure that it's aligned on the lower molding. So here's other materials that I use. So this is a double-sided tape, cutter, a measuring tape. Here are some safety pins, so that's all the materials that I used. So it's really a cheap alternative, because this one only cost around less than $1. So once again here, so that's it for my wall do-it-yourself Hot Wheels wall display.